Good afternoon, class. I'm your teacher Huang Le. You can call me Miss Huang. I hope you are all doing good and keep safe. Can you hear me clearly and loud?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Today is April 5, 2022. Let's start our discussion. Today we are going to discuss the future with well. What do you think of when you see the word well? Miss Sam, could you please answer the question?
Okay, ma'am. We use will to express beliefs about the present or future. We use will to talk about what people want to do or are willing to do.
Okay, thank you. How about Miss Li Xue?
I think it means I am going to do something in the future.
Okay, thank you. Well is used to form some future tenses in English. It can be used in several different ways, which are all different from the future with going to. I will give you a simple sentence to explain how to form the future with will. Miss Sam, could you please help me to read this sentence?
She will love the new movie.
Thank you. So the she is subject and the will is the future with will, and the love is base form of verb. The new movie is rest of sentence. What we need to note is that will doesn't change when with the subject. And I will give you a few examples so you can try to figure out which way of will is. Miss Li Xue, could you please read the sentence and the answer?
The, the mall will be so busy this afternoon. I think the answer is well for uh, predictions.
Yes, you are correct. Let's see the next sentence. Miss Sam, could you please read and answer?
Oh, it's raining. I'll take my umbrella. I think the answer is will for quick decisions.
Yes, you are correct. And Miss Li Xue, please read this sentence and answer it.
I'll go to the post office for you if you want. I think the answer is well for making offers.
Yes, you are correct. Let's see the last sentence. Miss Sam, could you please read and answer?
Don't worry, I'll be careful. I think the answer is will for making promises.
Yes, you are correct. Okay, let me explain the difference between these ways of will. Well, for prediction, well is used to talk about predictions about the future when there is no firm evidence for that prediction. Well, for quick decisions, will is used to describe quick decisions that someone has made at the time of speaking. They are often a solution to an unexpected problem. Well, for making offers, well is also used to offer to do something for someone. Well, for making promises, will can be used when making a promise. Let's move on another case. Think with will, and let me elaborate. Think can be used with will to show that a prediction is just an opinion or a decision is not final. Let's see an example. Miss Sam, could you please read the sentence?
I am tired. I think I'll go to bed.
Okay, thank you. So, what is the way of will in this sentence? Miss Li Xue.
I think it's well for prediction.
Yes, you are correct. This decision is still being considered. The last part we talk about future with shall. Shall is used instead of will when asking for a decision or making offers or suggestions. In these cases, it is only used with I or we. Let's see an example. Miss Sam, please read the sentence.
Shall I pick you up or shall we meet at the restaurant?
Okay, thank you. So the first shall is being used to what? Miss Li Xue, do you know?
Yes, for its uh, sh shall is being used to make an offer.
Yes, you are correct. And for the second shall, do you know shall is being to use what, Miss Sam?
Make a suggestion.
Yes, you are correct. Now let's have a short discussion. Do you still remember which four main ways of future we discussed earlier? Miss Li Xue.
Yes, I remember. Well for predictions and well for quick decision.
Okay, Miss Sun, did you remember the other two of ways of future we discussed earlier?
Yes, ma'am. It was will for making offers and will for making promises.
Yes, you are all correct. That's all for my today. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.
Thank you,
Thank you
ma'am.
for
Thank you.